Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So, in this video, I will talking about this solvency special IT case. The project from English subject. So, I have project for like IT tutorial, but this is different subject. Different title. So same sih, like IT tutorial. So next, in this video I will talking about this protocol from Cisco, brand Cisco, namely is EGRP. And in this solvency IT case, I will try how to connect a router with protocol EGRP. So before I practice to the lab, I will explain about this protocol. What is EGRP protocol? EGRP or Interior Gateway Routing Protocol is a routing protocol used in computer network to regulate the flow of data between device or local network or the domain. This protocol used in computer network to allow device on a network to communicate and share information about how to reach their destination efficiently. Maybe this is topology from EGRP. There are 3 router and IP address, IP loopback, and other. So next to the topology of EGRP protocol. EGRP on Cisco is like a GPS router. It helps routers find the best path to send data within a computer network, similar to the way GPS help you find the fastest path to your destination when you driving. Example, this is have topology. There are 4 router. So in router 1 have want to connect to router 4 with protocol EGRP. Because in EGRP protocol is like GPS for router. So router, example, router 1 have GPS to the connect router 4. So router 1 get helps find the fastest path for connect to router 4. Like that. And next to the function of EGRP protocol. The first function is fast convergence, and the second function is efficient bandwidth usage, and the last is automatic load balancing. And before we entering to the lab, I will give you how to protocol EGRP work in network topology. EGRP will send hello packet for know the router neighbor still alive or dead, and this send hello packet is simultaneous. So in hello packet have hold time. When hold time neighbor routers not send, so that router will dianggap dead, or usually hold time is 3 times when hello packet default is 15 seconds. After that, dual will conclusion repeat to path hello packet, and this hello packet send with multicast to IP address this 224.0.0 and 10. Maybe like that ya, how to EGRP protocol work in network topology. Yeah, usually this protocol EGRP always use in a big company. So next to the practice this topology, yeah, maybe you can prepare just 3 router, and in personal router must have IP address and IP loopback. So let's start to the configure IP address in router 1. Enter configure terminal. Yeah, the first is we must input IP address on router 1, especially in FA0/0. Don't forget to no shutdown for active the cable active, and IP address 11.11.11. The host maybe I am use number 1, and because the subnet from IP address 11 is 25, so the subnet net mask from 25 is 128. 128. 1 2 3 4. Nah, and don't forget to add interface for loopback 0. Enter IP address is 111, and the subnet net mask is /32 ya. 32 is 255. 1 2 3 4. Enter, and then exit, and we next change to configure in router 2, yeah, because router 2 is router mid, so router 2 we must configure interface in router FA0/0 and FA1/0. Okay, interface FA0/0. Enter. Now shutdown. Enter. Wait for agency. Okay, IP address is 11.11.11. The for host we use 2 because .1 already used for router 1. The subnet mask /25 is 128. 1 2 3 4, and we must input IP address to interface FA1/0. Enter. Don't forget to shutdown. No shutdown, sorry. Wait for agency. Nah, okay, and then we can input IP address is 22/25. Okay, 22 use host 2, and net mask from 25 is 128. Enter, and don't forget to input again interface for loopback 0. Enter. IP address is 2 ya, 222. Subnet mask is /32 is 255. 1 2 3 4. Enter, and then we can exit, and the last configure IP address on router 3. Okay, if like this, maybe you can enter and configure terminal and interface FA0/0. Don't forget to no shutdown. Enter, and the IP address from router 3 is 22.22. For host we use number 1 because the host number 2 already used for router 2 ya, and then mask is same 25 is 128. Enter, and don't forget to input interface for loopback 0. IP address is 3333. Enter. Oh ya, subnet mas 255 and 250. Enter. Okay, and then exit. Yeah, if you already done configure IP input configure IP address for all router, so we continue to input AGRP protocol configure on all router, ya. So the command from router AGRP is easy, ya. Router AGRP and we must input number for router AGRP, maybe use number 1, enter, and then you must add network, yeah, because router 1 just have 2 network, yeah, 11 and IP loopback 111, so we must input that IP network on router AGRP, ya, 11/0, ya, /0, sorry, titik 0, ya. Why titik 0? Because titik 0 is for all IP address and network, the last network is IP loopback is 111, enter. Nah, and if you already input network, you can add no auto summary, exit, and then you can input configuration router AGRP number 1 must same, ya, the number router AGRP in router 1, the network is, because in router 2 have 3 network is 11 0 and 22 22 22, and the last network is IP loopback, and don't forget to no auto summary, enter and exit. And the last configure router AGRP, router AGRP on router 3, the configure same like in router 2, router AGRP 1, network is 22 22 22 22.0, and the last is network IP address is 333, and don't forget to input no auto summary, exit. Nah, and then if you already done configure IP address and AGRP on all router, maybe you can try to trace, or maybe can say is ping from router 1 to IP address router 3, will be success or failed. So we can try. The command for do ping is do trace, yeah. Because I want try trace from router 1 to IP loopback from router 3, ya. IP loopback have router 3 is 333, so after that you can enter, yeah. If your do trace same like this, so your configuration is success, because router 1 success can trace or can ping to IP loopback router 3, ya. Yeah, like this. Router 1 have path to ping to IP loopback router 3 with IP address 11 11 11. The host is number 2, ya. this IP address have router 2. So and the last path router 1 can connect or can ping to IP loopback router 3 is 22 and the host is 1 have router 3 ya. So we can try again from do trace from router 3 to router 1, same like that, same like do trace in router 1, do trace, maybe I want do trace IP loopback from router 1 ya. The number IP address is 111 and enter. Ya, sukses ya. This router 3 use a path IP address have router 2 20 and the host 2 ya, have router 2, and the last is with 11.11.1 ya, the host 1 have router 1. So we already success configure AGRP protocol in this lab, and so this problem is success to configure. So maybe that's all I can tutorial how to connect router 1 to router 3 can ping in this lab. So maybe that's all from me. I am sorry if I have any mistake in this video. So see you in the next my video.